भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मुण्डकोपनिषत् chapter 2 section 1 mantra number 6 तस्मादृचः सामयजुंषि दीक्षा यज्ञाश्च सर्वे क्रतवो दक्षिणाश्च संवत्सरश्च यजमानश्च लोकाः सोमो यत्र पवते यत्र सूर्यः तस्माच्च देवा बहुधा सम्प्रसूताः साध्या मनुष्याः पशवो वयांसि प्राणापानौ व्रीह्यमौ तपश्च श्रद्धा सत्यं ब्रह्मचर्यं विधिश्च Angiras answering to his student Shaunaka, Kasmin Vijnate Sarvamidam Vijnatam Bhavati. This is the question raised by the student Shaunaka. Then Angiras, starting his teaching by giving the Brahma Lakshanam, and that Brahman can be known only by knowledge, not by karma. Unfortunately, people think all these rituals, sacrifices, all they will give moksha, thinking that going to Swarga is moksha. They do not know the limitations of this Swarga. Swarga is also attained only by temporary punya. They are all practicing and trying to go to Swarga. Not only that, they say that alone is correct. That alone is the end of life. There is no other greater achievement than this. Therefore, perform karma, try to go to Swargaloka. That is the ultimate goal of human life. Here Angiras tells, these mudhaha, unintelligent people, are not knowing the ultimate goal. Even if you go to Swargaloka, you have to come back. Again you have to work for moksha. That moksha is possible again only through the knowledge. You have to attend the class regularly. Some intelligent people, parikshalokan, karmachitan, brahmanaha, having seen this limited benefit of these karmas, some intelligent people like you, Angirasa is addressing Shaunaka. They come to know this Brahman. They strive for, they work for, they put an effort. So once you come with this attitude, in spite of doing lot of karmas, vratams, pujas, so many things I am performing from my childhood, lot of pujas I am conducting, still the nimmadi, the peace, happiness I am not getting. That means there is something lacking in my understanding, or something is missing in my approach. Something is missing in my path, whatever I am doing. There is something wrong. Once I recognize that, just recognition is sufficient. இவ்வளவு பண்ணினாலும் கூட ஏன் எனக்கு நிம்மதி வரமாட்டேங்கிறது, ஏன் I am not happy. Therefore the person, the quest for that peace will begin. For such a person the teaching is relevant. That Brahma Vidya, Paravidya is relevant for only such a person, not for all people. Hey Shaunaka, you are such a person because you are asking that Karanam Brahma. Therefore, you are a matured person with refined mind. You are eligible to know that Brahma Vidya because you are continuously coming to the class. Therefore, now you are all ready for Brahma Vidya. Happily the teacher can teach Brahma Vidya. The teacher will test for a few classes. Really they are eligible or deserved for Brahma Vidya or not. If they are continuing, then the Brahma Vidya topic will come. If you want to know that Brahman, first know that what is this creation. I will tell you, you know this creation which is in front of you. First know this creation and what is the cause of this creation. Then you come to know the Karanam Brahma. Then slowly you will get the answer, Eka Vijnanena Sarva Vijnanam. By knowing the cause, you can know everything. With this background, Angiras explaining about the Srishti, how this creation has come, what is the cause for this creation, what is the root cause. Angiras tells this whole creation is born out of Brahman. What are all things born? And he is enumerating so many things. First sacred things, all pavitramanadella munnadi solli, adukappuram inert things he explains. First, sentient beings, devatas, celestials, all have to be enumerated. They are all born from Brahman. Later, all the inert objects also, like mountains, rivers, trees, plants, all these are non-moving things also born from that Brahman. So that Srishti Prakriya is going on. We are seeing that topic, Srishti Prakriya. How this human being, all beings have come. The fifth mantra, 5 Agnis we were seeing, Panchagni Vidya. This jiva is refined from one body with one fire, as though fire, not fire. Just as the fire is able to refine an object anything, it has a capacity to cook or to refine. Similarly, we are taking an imaginary thing, that fire, like, what fire? Swarga Agnihi. This Jiva goes to Swarga and stay there for some time, get refinement, and come to the second Agni, Megha Agni. So first Soma Shariram, next one Vrishti Shariram. Come to the Megha. What is there? Vrishti, rain, water is there. Water bearing clouds are there. In that, this Jiva remain for some time for refinement. Just as this, they take in a raw gold from the earth, and it comes to your neck, no, the chain. You know that how many process it undergoes? அது பார்த்தா அவ்வளோ கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். That gold has to get that refinement to remove all the unwanted things. It has to undergo so many process. Similarly, this Jiva has to come into the body. He has to undergo, the Jiva has to undergo so many sharirams, subtle sharirams, sukshma shariram. So, Vrishti shariram in Megha Agni, and the Megha Agni, the cloud fire, as though fire, not Nizama fire illa. Ange konja naal irundu refine ahi, then Anna shariram it takes Prithvi Agni. It comes to Prithvi, through the rain it falls in the Prithvi, and Anna shariram takes Anna shariram, it remain in Anna shariram, enjo ottu irukum ange sattil kannukku theriyadu. That is why Sukshmam. And then Bija shariram in Purushaha. Once this ahara taken by the Purusha, this Jiva enters into that Purusha body through the ahara, whatever he eats, that food. And then Manushya shariram in the Bija Rupena irundu gets Manushya shariram. Later, Manushya shariram, at the time of conception, this Bija shariram enters into the Stri Yoni. Then that Stri Yoni helps this Jiva to grow into Manushya shariram. Like this, all beings are born. Every being. Brahmadi Pipilikanta Tanushu. Ellame Brahmajilirundu இந்த பிப்பீலிகா ஆண்ட் வர இதே தான் ப்ராசஸ். எல்லாரும் இந்த ப்ராசஸில் போய் தான் ஆகணும். நான் போக மாட்டேன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. என்ன, இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் கோ தேர், யூ வில் லூஸ் த கெப்பாசிட்டி டு கெட் த ஜீவாஹுட். ஜீவாஹுட் வராது. அதிலும் மனுஷ ஜென்மா வரணும்னா திஸ் ஃபுட் ஹேஸ் டு பி ஈட்டன் பை த புருஷா, ஹியூமன் பீயிங், அண்ட் தட் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் ஆல்சோ மஸ்ட் ஹேவ் த கெப்பாசிட்டி டு reproduce, and that it has to enter into the female body, and that female body also must have the capacity to produce the human body. அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இந்த ஹியூமன் பாடியே வருது. That is why many they say நரஜன்ம துர்லபம் சொன்னது காரணம் இதுதான். நரஜன்ம துர்லபம். இந்த ஜீவா can fall in anywhere. No, I told you that rain should not fall in the ocean. I'll fall in the ocean, that jiva will fall in the ocean. அங்கே போய் இந்த ஃபிஷ் சாப்பிடும். அது என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? இந்த ஜீவா, அந்த ஃபிஷ் ஆல்சோ டேக் ஃபுட். அந்த ஜீவா ஃபிஷ் பாடிக்குள்ள போன என்ன வரும்? ஃபிஷ்ஷாக தான் பிறந்துவா இல்லையோ? தட் மீன்ஸ் தட் ரெயின் ஷுட் ஃபால் ஆன் த எர்த். அதிகமா எங்கேயோ ஹிமாலயாஸ்ல எங்கேயோ பண்ணா என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? அதே பூமி மேல எங்கே காய்கறி எல்லாம் வருமோ, வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருமோ, தானியங்கள் எல்லாம் வருமோ, அங்கேதான் விடணும் அந்த ஜீவன். அது விழுந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த லக்கிலி இந்த வெண்டைக்காய் காய்கறி கொண்டு வந்து வெஜிடபிள் பர்சன் அது நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வந்துடும் அந்த ஜீவா. அது வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இவர் சாப்பிடணும். அது சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு இவர் கல்யாணம் ஆகி இருக்கணும், அது வேற விஷயம். கிரகஸ்தனா இருக்கணும். See what a problem, no? Now you know how difficult to get this human body. Never make misuse this body, utilize this body properly. இவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் பாடி வருது. இந்த கஷ்டப்பட்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் you have to put forth for that higher goal. What are all things born? Tasmat sarjanyaha oshadayaha. Adalla we have seen. Vrihi prajaha purushat samprasotaha. The sixth mantra, once these jivas are all born, இவங்களுக்கு வேண்டியதெல்லாம் பண்ணணுமே. ஜீவாஸ் born பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் இவனுக்கு என்னென்ன வேணும்? He requires some objects to enjoy. பிறந்த உடனே பசியோட சாப்பிட்டு வந்துட்டா ஸ்டார்டிங்கு. ஸோ ஃபுட் he has to give. ஸோ தஸ்மாத் ரிச்ச சாம யஜும்ஷி தீக்ஷா. ஸோ வேதாஸ், ஆல் 4 Vedas have come. Diksha also has come. Diksha means ahara niyamas and upasanas, maunji bandhanam, etc. Then sarve yajnaha kratavaha, shrauta yajnas and smarta yajnas. So if once he performs these yajnas only, this jiva will get refinement through karma. So he has to perform shrauta karmas or smarta karmas. One has to perform. Eating food also is a karma. All rituals only. Everything is a ritual. Then dakshinaha, types of dakshina. In this Veda mantras, if you want to perform rituals, you require some rules and regulations. So those rules and regulations are given in Veda mantras. Clear? So that Panchangam based on that Veda mantras, Prayatram, Tidhi, Daivam, all are required because your karma decides your prayanam. உத்தராயண காலமா, புண்ணிய காலமா, தட்சிணாயன காலமா, என்ன காலம்னு போறள், என்ன திதில போறள், இதெல்லாம் டிசைடட் பை தட் பஞ்சாங்கம். ஸோ தட் பஞ்சாங்கம் கேம் அவுட் ஆஃப் Vedas because Vedas are karma kanda, fully gives the details. You perform karma like this. If you perform in this nakshatra, in this kala, in this, with this prayatna, with this devata, if you invoke, this path you will go. These are all given the manual. So Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha, all are given. And your karma phalam also decided by your dakshina. So you have to give dakshina, either cows, cattle, dhanam or bhumi. Lot of dhanams, rendu dhanam rendu important. Enna Kshatri dhanam and cheppal, padaraksha dhanam, umbrella and padaraksha. இந்த ரெண்டு தானம் ரொம்ப significant சொல்லுவான் சாஸ்திரத்துல. Those days, olden days also, they give cheppals and umbrella. ஏன்னா இந்த ரெண்டு தான் வேணும். தாபம் மேல, கீழே தாபம், சூரிய அக்னிக்கு. How this umbrella cheppal came, you know? அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டோரி இருக்கு, சின்ன ஸ்டோரி. I tell you. This Jamadagni was once, Jamadagni is practicing this archery. Even though he is a Brahmana, he has taken the Kshatriya dharma. Who, you know Jamadagni? Parasurama, father. The Jamadagni was, when he is practicing, just he is leaving the arrows. When the arrow falls, this Renuka Devi has to run fast and come and bring back that. This Renuka has to go and bring. அது எந்த டைம்ல பண்றாரு? மத்தியானம் 12 மணிக்கு பண்றாரு இவர் பிராக்டிஸ். அது பண்ணும்போது பாப்பா இந்த அம்மா ஓடி 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 போய் அது அந்த arrows she has to bring back every time. And he is practicing. Then Renuka Devi is not able to run fast because மேல அந்த சூரியன் ரொம்ப தீவிரமா, sun bright is so much, so intense, and she is so tired, கால் burning down and thala head is also burning. She is not able to run fast. Jamadagni, she is coming late, bringing the arrows very late. Then she is bringing late. இவருக்கு ஜமதக்னிக்கு ரொம்ப கோபம் வந்தது. He is very, கோபம் ஜாஸ்தி. why are you late ன்னு சொன்னாரு. சூரிய பகவான் ரொம்ப தீவிரமா இருக்காரு, கால் எல்லாம் burning, தலை also burning. How can I? That's why I am not able to go. இந்த ஜமதக்னிக்கு சூரியன் மேல ரொம்ப கோபம் வந்ததா. So he is now on the arrow he is trying to shoot that side சூரியன். இந்த சூரியன் அப்படியே பயந்துட்டு கிடுகிடு கீழே வந்துட்டாரு. அப்படி பண்ணாதீங்க, don't do that. And then reduce your that intense heat. நான் reduce பண்ண எப்படி உலகம் எல்லாம் because of my heat only they are all sustaining, therefore I cannot reduce, therefore tell me some remedy. I will give umbrella and chappal. This umbrella and chappal I will give, you can use. Therefore you need not stop your archery, continue. From that time only this umbrella chappal has come. Whoever it is dhanam, that is the greatest dhanam. Nijama. So therefore dakshina adu kuda kodukkanum actually. Those days they are used to give in the fan visiri kaathu venum illaiyo, visiri ella koduppan. Nowadays adella pochu. Puma. Then 6th mantra dakshina samvatsaraha, the year. The year comes under Panchanga, as I have said. Prayatna, Kalam, Daivam. Then Yajamanaha, the ritualist. And the Lokaha, for his enjoyment, all objects. Worlds means all objects, sense objects. The world and சொன்னபோது 4 classifications I have told you. Just I will remind those classifications. Higher lokas, there are 4 varieties. Higher lokas, non-returnable lokas. Non-returnable means you go higher, higher, higher and you will get Brahma Jnanam there itself, non-returnable. Number 1. The 14th loka alone is non-returnable loka. That is Brahma loka. And the second classification is higher but returnable. Returnable. Lot of pleasures are there but you will return. What are those lokas? Swarga loka, Goloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka. So Swargaloka, Goloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka, also higher lokas, but returnable lokas. Visa will expire. You have to come back. You see the people who are going abroad, visa problem. Like this. Then third grade is Manushya Loka. Then fourth grade is Atala. Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Patala, Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, idella lower lokas. That is fourth grade. The fifth one is Surya Loka. That is also non-returnable. Fifth grade. 4 classification I said, but 5th and 6th were slight subdivisions. Surya Loka, non-returnable. Chandra Loka is returnable. Surya Dvarena te Virajah Prayanti. If they go to Surya Dwara, Kama Mukti varum. So non-returnable. Surya Dwaram. Chandra Loka na returnable. So higher means superior from. Superior means here not space-wise superior, but quality-wise. Each loka has got distinct time, different time. Just as our dream has got a different time. Our dream time, space is different. That is different loka. Your sleep time, space is different. That is different loka. Jagrat time and space are different loka. That's why Brahmaji lifespan, when we are listening, and we'll wonder, idella nadakuma enna ani thonu. Because with this sense organs, you cannot comprehend that space and time. You cannot comprehend. Therefore, here qualitative only we see here. Heaven is here and now itself qualitatively. That is important. All lokas belong to different time and space. Every loka has its own time. Now we are all having one type of time and space. Otherwise, எல்லாமே காக் அண்ட் புல் ஸ்டோரிஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட் என்னன்னா, அந்த டைம் ஸ்பேஸ் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட், நம்ம இந்த ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தா டைம் ஸ்பேஸ் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். கிளியர்? தென் இந்த 7th mantra, moreover from this Brahman who are all born, various gods are born, sadhyaha, celestials are born. See, once the rituals are born and the people to enjoy the objects are born, for that karma angas are required. To perform karma, there are subsidiary instruments are required for karma. These are all called sadhyaha, devaha, celestials. Devaha means karmanga bhutaha devaha, like Ashtavasush, 11 Rudras and Adityas, all these are devatas. Sadhyaha, Manushyaha, Pasavaha, Vayansi. Then human beings, karma adhikari. To perform this karma, all beings cannot do. All beings have no right to do. Even in human beings, karma pandradhukku adhikaram ellarkume kediyadu. Only Grihastha can perform this yajna yaga ritual. If he is brahmachari, anaprastha and sannyasi are not supposed to perform, they have no right to perform this. Another condition, in the Grihasthaniki Karupa irukkum mudi. Krishna Keshaha only should practice Yajna Yaga. That is the Adhikari. Manushyaha means the Adhikari who can do the ritual. Ellarukku Adhikaram kadiyadu. According to Shastra. Then Pashavaha, birds and insects, animals you can add. Pashavaha means you can Pakshi, all those things. Kitakaha also you can include. Vayansi, birds. Prana apana, vrihiyavau, paddy, barley. You are vegetarian. Tapaha cha, karma angam, samskara lakshanam. This tapaha is also created from Brahman. Once you are a adhikari, you have to follow the austerity. So, that austerity is also important. Shraddha. Sarva Purushartha Sadhana Prayogaha Shraddha. So, faith. And Satyam, Anritavarjanam. Then Brahmacharyam. And living in the Brahman means Charati iti. Vedic lifestyle anartham. Not indulging in sensual pleasures. Moderate and legitimate sensual pleasures is called Brahmacharyam. Then Vidhihi means all rules and regulations. Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava. In the 15 class gap, I will all repeat. Now I will read that 8th mantra. Sapta Pranaha Prabhavanti Tasmat Saptarchishah Samidha Sapta Homaha Sapta ime lokaha Yeshu charanti Prano guhashaya nihita sapta sapta Prana guhashaya nihita sapta sapta. Now, Tasmat, from that Brahman. So, that you have to remember all the time. When that Upanishad is talking about the creation, everything is born out of Brahman alone. It says, your father is cause, father, mother are the cause for your birth. And your grandparents are cause for your father or mother. And their parents are cause for them. That means indirectly, your great-great-grandparents are cause for your birth or not? Huh? You will never say, Enoda appa amma da karanam. They are not cause. Can you say? Adhe principle apply பண்ணணும் இங்க. அது சொன்னா நல்லா புரியுது சுவாமினி. பிரம்மன் என்ன ஒத்துக்க முடியல என்ன? அது ஸ்வார்த்தம். பிரம்மன் கூட அப்படிதான். Once all these are born from here, they are all born from there. Brahman is the root cause. So therefore, indirectly Brahman is the cause for my birth also. Tamatta uttuganam. Illenna kashtam. Tasmat, from that Brahman, prabhavanti sapta pranaha, sapta archishaha, sapta samidhaha, sapta homaha. Ime sapta lokaha. Now, 7 sense organs. Here pranaha means 7 sense organs. 7 holes in the head. Sapta pranaha. Inna pancha pranaha dani sonnar swami munnadi. Ipdiye enak sapta pranaha. Inga pranaha na sense organs. Archishaha. 7 flames. Flame anna just it is imaginary. Okay. Flame and a sense of perception. Perception is not seeing. Sense of listening sound, sense of taste, sense of smell, all these comes under perception. All these perceptions are compared to a flame. Objects of perception. Sapta homaha. 7 oblations. 7 sensory knowledge. What a kalpana paranga. Adi purinjikradhukku namakku konjam explanation is required. Shankaracharya writes beautifully. Sense organs are called indriyam. Just as you make a homakunda and you put oblations, and that oblations what you are offering, it will be taken by the fire in the homakunda. That is yajnam. What we do, yagam, yajnam. Homakunda, fire and oblation. Adhe madre, now your eyes are like homakunda. Eyes are like homakunda. And the perception, the sense organ of perception, indriyam irukku, and the shakti, chakshurindriya shakti is like a fire. And the objects like rupa, forms and colors are like oblations. So these objects, rupa, forms and colors are like oblations, and they are taken by this chakshurindriyam. This chakshurindriyam, that abode is golakam. So without golakam, indriyam cannot stay there. Then this is the homa, is taking place every time. Then you supply for all indriyams. For example, tongue is the golakam for the taste. Rasanendriyam is the fire. Rasanendriyam is the like fire. Fire and solladinga. Namma hot da pesrom. Adu vera vishayam. Rasanendriyam is like a fire. Tongue is the golakam for the rasanendriyam. It is a homakunda. And the gulabjam rasagulla. Enna gulabjam rasagulla or epome. All foodstuffs are like oblations. Pannu mind aha poradilla pasikirudhu. Oblations. You put in this homakunda, this fire, it will consume. Adhe madri இந்த மூக்கு வந்து homakunda, smell grana shakti irukலையோ fire, the smell வந்து object, it oblation, it grass consumes. Like that in the seven holes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, 4, 2 eyes, 6, mouth 1, 7. Poduma? Appa. The 7 holes, sapta. 7 sense objects, 7 sense organs of knowledge, and 7 golakams. 7 homakundas, 7 fires, and 7 oblations. Idhikka velila 7 oblations. Vechirikar Bhagavan. Rupa, rasa, gandha, all are there outside. Otherwise, they are all useless. In the fires, they are all useless. Who will eat the fruits? Who will eat all those sweets? Krishna sweets எல்லாம் செலவு எப்படி ஆகும்? அதுக்கு இது இருக்கணுமே, டங் இருக்கணும், ஹோமகுண்டா இருக்கணும், ஃபயர் இருக்கணும். புரியுறதோ? அதுதான் ஓ. இப்ப புரியுறதா இந்த சில மந்திரா? ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அவ்வளவுதான். சப்த பிராணாக மீன்ஸ் 7 ஹோல்ஸ், 7 சென்ஸ் ஆர்கான்ஸ், சப்த அர்ச்சிஹி 7 ஃபயர்ஸ். ஸோ ஹோமகுண்டாஸ்ல அந்த சக்தி இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஞான சக்தி, தட் இந்திரிய சக்தி is called like flame, power of perception. Sapta samidaha, types of fuel in or objects, sense objects, sensory objects. Sapta homaha, what happens? Homam. அதுதான் இந்த நாளுக்கு மேல என்ன போட்டாலும் கூட இன்னும் வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கும், போகும்னு சொல்லாதே. This tongue fire, the more you are giving, it says I want more. அது வரும். Then iti sapta lokaha. Lokaha means here golakaha. 7 golakams are there. Golakam is abode, a place. Golakam. Yeshu pranaha charanti. In these 7 golakams, these 7 pranas in sense organs are functioning. They are all born of Brahman. Prabhavanti tasmat. When you are sleeping, what happens to all of them? This homakunda enna agum, in the fires enna agum, in the sense objects enna agum, they will take rest. Guhashayaha nihitaha sapta. Appa. Night, when you are sleeping, of course you are sleeping daytime also, maximum time night you are sleeping, deep sleep, that time these sense organs are closed, golakams are closed. So the sense organs are also closed and objects are also டப்பாவில் இருக்கிறது டப்பாலே இருக்கும், வீட்டில் வாயிலுக்கு வராது. நம்ம கிச்சன் ரூமில் இருக்கிறது we don't want to eat that time. எதுக்குன்னா கோலக்கம் is taking rest. இந்த கோலக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற இந்திரியம் also taking rest. So sense objects are also as they are. So guhashayaha, the sense organs will go to guha, இந்த ஹார்ட்டுக்கு உள்ள போயிடும். எல்லாமே அங்கே போய் they will take rest. இங்கே டைஜஷன் பண்ணணுமே, போட்டுட்டே இருந்தால் எப்படி, இன்புட்டே என்ன, கொஞ்சம் நேரம் ரெஸ்ட் கொடுத்தா they will digest inside. Nihitaha, these sense organs guhayam sherate. In sleep they rest in the heart. That guhashayan. The sense organs whose abode is the mind. Here mind and namak heart ardham, hridayam. Mind, nihitaha are placed sapta sapta for every being. For every being, 7 holes are there. In the time of sleep, they all 7 goes into the heart. Once you get up again, they have to go to their place. Like children madri. Once they get up, no, again they have to take their things. But திருப்பி அங்கங்க போக கூடாது. என்ன, this chakshur indriyam should not go to shravana indriyam. Shravana indriyam should not run forward towards rasana indriyam. அந்தந்த கோலக்கத்துல போய் அங்கங்க உட்காரணும். உட்காரலன்னு என்ன ஆகும், டாக்டர் கிட்ட போகணும். You have to visit the doctor. That's why when you are getting up early morning, carefully, slowly, மெதுவா you have to get up. என்னன்னா, if you get up with stress and tension, they will get disturbance. That's why early morning, instead of you are taking this paste, அங்கே வா, இது இருக்கும் ஷேவிங் பேஸ்ட், அது போட்டுருப்போம். என்னாச்சு இன்னைக்கு என்ன, so something you put in the கடுகு போட வேண்டியது ஏதோ போடுவோம் அதுல. So that all happens because of disturbance. That's why slow down, be careful. Next mantra. 9th mantra. Ata samudra girayascha sarve. Asmat syandante sindhavah sarva rupaha. Atascha sarva oshadhayo rasascha. Enaisha bhutais tishthate hyantaratma. Now, from that Brahman alone, all these inert objects have come. Ataha, from this Brahman, sarve samudraha prabhavanti. All oceans, samudraha means oceans, sarve, all 7 oceans. There are 7 oceans. Charodam, charam, it is an ocean. Charodam, amlas and children, amlam, acids. They're all big ocean. Charodam, இதெல்லாம் விஷ்ணு புராணம்ல இருக்கும். சாரோதம், இக்ஷுரோதம், இக்ஷுரசோதம். இக்ஷுரசம்னா there is a ocean, sugar cane juice ocean இருக்குமா, எங்கன்னு கேட்காதுங்க, புராணம்ல இருக்கு, நான் சொல்றேன். இக்ஷுரசோதம் நம்பர் 2. சுரோதம், அமிர்தம். there is a ocean which full of amrita. சுரோதம், கிருதோதம், full of the ghee ocean. அங்கே பீச்சுக்கு போய் நீங்கள் வாங்க வேண்டாம், கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டாம், அங்கே போகலாம். கிருதோதம், தென் க்ஷீரோதம், ஃபுல் மில்க் தான் ஓஷன். க்ஷீரோதம், தென் தத்யமிருதம், தத்யுதம், தத்யுதம் ததி உதம், தத்யுதம் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் கர்ட் ஓஷன். சுத்தோதம், பியூர் வாட்டர். இத்தனை ஓஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. சுத்தோதம்னு ஒன்லி பியூர் வாட்டர். இப்போ நமக்கு கண்ணுக்கு தெரியறது அதுதான். ஆல் தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் இன்விசிபிள் ஃபார் அஸ். சப்த சமுத்ராஹ பிரபவந்தி. கிரயஹ, மவுண்டெயின்ஸ் ஆல்சோ born from Brahman. Then sarvarupaha sindavaha, all types of rivers. Sindhu, the Sindhu river is in Pakistan now. And the Sindhu river, etc., all rivers. Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna, Godavari, Brahmaputra, Saraswati, Krishna, நிறைய இருக்கு. Tungabhadra. All these rivers are born from Brahman. Syandante, originate. Where? From where? Asmat, from this Brahman. Ataha, this is a pronoun, indicates Brahman. Ataha means from this Brahman. Every time Brahman, Brahman and cholla avashyam. Pronoun channane, you have to supply that. Ataha, sarvaha oshadhayaha, all planets, shrubs and bushes, all are born. Rasaha, as well as their sap, the nutrition. So, the oshadhayaha, trees are all there. What is important? And the rasa is important. The juice, the sap is very important. That is the only essence of the trees. Rasa also born out of Brahman. Enahi esha antaratma tishthate. Because of which alone, eshaha antaratma. Sukshma shariram, this linga deham, antaratma means subtle body, antakaranam, bhutaihi, along sthula shariram, tishthate, means remain, pariveshtitaha. This sthula shariram and sukshma shariram remain because of this Brahman alone. All these mountains are born from Brahman. The rational mind, intellect cannot accept this. This is cock and bull stories. Time Brahman in the mountains and rivers, all are existing. And who knows? Highly consciousness. Highly consciousness alone giving the existence. River is, mountain is, plants are, animals are. Who is knowing? This Chaitanya. So therefore, Adi Chaitanyam Brahman alone is giving birth to all objects. Without the experiencer, these experienced all objects lose their existence. Clear? Clear madri irukka. Idha puriyano. Mukhyama. Enna Brahman enjo irukkaru, nirgunam Brahma. கால கையும் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அவன்லாம் இதெல்லாம் வந்தது என்ன எப்படி புரியும்? அந்த பிரம்மன் சகுண ஈஸ்வரனா மாறி with the help of Maya and created all the beings. From these beings, this Brahman is giving existence to these all inert objects. So the inert objects are valuable and they have existence only by the consciousness. Otherwise, they have no importance also. If the ocean is there, ocean cannot say I am ocean. Ocean cannot enjoy its beauty. Who enjoys? Consciousness. Either awarer, Brahman, the experiencer, Chaitanya Swarupam, and you poi evala alaha irukke in the ocean. So, this has born from me alone. The ocean existence has taken because of me, the Brahman, not from the body. Chaitanyam. அப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. இல்லைன்னா எபோ ஹெட் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்ரா. புருஷ ஏவேதம் விஸ்வம் கர்மா தபோ பிரம்ம பராம்ருதம் ஏதத்யோ வேத நிஹிதம் குஹாயாம் சோ வித்யா கிரந்திம் விகிரதீஹ சோம்யம். படிக்கிறது எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருக்கோ அந்த பிரம்மன் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது கூட அதே கஷ்டம். இதுதான் மெயின் மந்த்ரா. வெரி 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 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மகா வாக்கிய மந்த்ரா. சரி, இந்த சிருஷ்டி எல்லாம் எதுக்காக? வாட் ஃபார் திஸ் சிருஷ்டி எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன், கிரியேஷன் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன்? we are not interested in knowing the srishti. We are not interested in knowing the paddhati, methodology of the srishti. We are knowing the srishti because the Brahman is the cause for the srishti. The tatparyam is not in srishti. The tatparyam is to know the Brahman is the cause for this srishti. This is the tatparyam. Even you forget about Girayaha, Oshadaya, Sinnava, no problem. Don't bother about that. Sometimes you don't understand also certain things, it is good. இல்லையா? புரிய வேண்டியது எதோ புரியணும், அதுதான் நமக்கு அவசியம். Now idam vishwam karma tapaha purushaha eva. Idam vishwam, this universe, karma tapaha, all the actions, karma means all the actions, tapaha means all the meditations, upasanas. You can add karma phalam also, the result of actions and the result of meditation, tapas. And purushaha eva, Brahman alone, purayati sarvam iti purushaha, who pervades all. Saha yaha veda, saha means he, yaha means who, veda means knows. He who knows, or one who knows. One who knows what? Etat paramritam brahma. Etat means who is the jagat karanam. I am telling from so many mantras. That jagat karanam brahma alone, whoever knows these actions, which are actions done by the jivas, and those actions, rules and regulations followed from the Vedas, all are born from Brahman alone, whoever knows. Even karma, meditations and their phalam also all came from Brahman alone. Na Brahman enna engeyo paakkaadungo. You will go on expecting Brahman somewhere, you will never get answer. That Brahman nu sonna udane highly consciousness. டக்குன்னு எப்போ பிரம்மன் சொல்றானோ டீச்சர் சொல்லும் போதல்ல ஐரி கான்சியஸ்னஸ், பிரம்மன் வருவன் ஐரி கான்சியஸ்னஸ், அந்த ஃபில்அப் பண்ணிக்கணும் அந்த கேப். இல்லைன்னா பிரம்மன் தூரமா போயிட்டே இருப்பாரு. அது என்ன சுவாமினி சர்வம் பிரம்மன் தான், ஆல் பர்வேடிங் பிரம்மன், ஹவு கேன் ஹி கோனா? உங்க புத்தியில வந்து போவார், அவ்வளவுதான். பிரம்மன் இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங், பட் ஹி இஸ் நாட் இன் யுவர் புத்தி. ஈவன் தோ பிரம்மன் இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங், வை இஸ் நாட் அவைலபிள்? That is available for transaction in your buddhi alone. That's why saha yaha veda. Etat paramritam brahma, the supreme immortal Brahman. Paramritam, amritam means immortal, para means supreme, immortal, eternal. Brahma, where is he? Ipta sunnane, don't search outside. Nihitam guhayam. Enge swamini guha Rishikeshila irukko, Amarnath Guha போணுமா? That's why people are searching in the Guha, sitting in the Guha doing meditation. You need not sit in Guha. You sit in your 2-bedroom flat, 1000 square feet. அதுல இந்த உடம்பு இருக்கு, அதுல ஒரு குகை இருக்கு, இதுதான் குஹா. நிஹிதம், residing, குஹாயாம், in the heart, அந்தఃகரணே, in the heart. Whoever knows that Supreme Brahman who is residing in the heart, as residing in the heart, in their own heart, அது ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம். உள்ள இருக்காரு தேடாது. Never wait for that inside Brahman again. Inside என்ன நானேதான் சொல்லணும். அப்ப வெளியில சொன்னாலும் ப்ராப்ளம், உள்ள சொன்னாலும் ப்ராப்ளம். இல்ல இல்ல அது நானேதான் அது சொல்லணும். விக்கிரதி, அந்த ஞானம் வந்தாதான் அந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் அதர் லைன் இஸ் ரிலவெண்ட். என்னது? அவித்யா கிரந்திம் விக்கிரதி. அவித்யா கிரந்திம் விக்கிரதி மீன்ஸ் such a person destroys the knot of ignorance. வெளியில தேடாதே, உள்ளவும் தேடாதே. Never inquiry outside and inside. The inquirer is Brahman. Who is the inquirer? I myself. The seeker, the seer, the searcher, the experiencer, எல்லாமே போட்டுக்கோங்க. ER. The enjoyer இல்ல நானே தான். அந்த ஞானம் யாருக்கு வருமோ? வித்யா, அவித்யா கிரந்தி மீன்ஸ் ignorance. கிரந்தி மீன்ஸ் knot. The knot of ignorance. He destroys means disentangle. இப்போ என்டாங்கிளா இருக்கும். அந்த கிரந்தி will go away. முடிச்சு என்ன முடிச்சு. வேற என்ன? ஈஹா, ஹே சௌமியா, ஹே சௌனகா, ஓ மை டியர் ப்ளீசிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஹே சௌமியா, லிசன் டு மீ, ஹியர் அண்ட் நவ் இட் செல்ஃப். ஈஹா, அந்த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஈஹா மீன்ஸ் ஜீவன் முக்தி. Here and now itself in Potti Sriramanu building itself, in the hall class nadakkum bode aham brahmasmi I can claim. இதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஒன்னும் பண்ண வேண்டாம், ஒன்னும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். லஹர் டூண்டே பானி கோ, the wave is searching for water. எப்படி இருக்கு? wave is தண்ணி எங்க இருக்கேன்னு searching. கப்படா டூண்டே சூத் கோ, the cloth is searching for the fiber. cloth is searching for the fiber. ஜீவ டூண்டே பிரம்ம கோ, I the Jiva is searching for Brahman. Tino Kutka Kutana. Both three of them are inquiring. Missing the inquirer. Wave need not search for water. Wave enna pannanum? Nane water than therinjikanum. The wave nama rupa mithya temporary. Kapada, the cloth must know. The cloth is really fiber. Cloth is temporary name. Kapada need not do for truth. Similarly, Jiva need not search for Brahman. Jiva should know the consciousness is Brahman. I need not search for Brahman. If they are searching, inquiry. Endless process. That's why some people never accept this Bodhayana, etc. philosophers. They never accept. Iha Jivan Mukti impossible, they say. Advaita alone says Jivan Mukti is here and now. It is not away from you because you are already Brahman. I am going to elaborate on this in the next class. Next Mundakopanishad class, very, very important. I am going to give that whole Vedanta essence based on this mantra. Therefore, you prepare the whole lesson and come with doing homework. Then it is easy for you. Therefore, it is Mahavakya mantra. This is Tatpada Vichara we have done. Ishvara Srishti, Tatpada Vichara over. Next comes Tvampada Vichara. Last Aikyam. More the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.